any more proof that the future is female, it was last night at Roosevelt University. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the second woman to ever be appointed to the Supreme Court, spoke in front of a crowd of thousands. She talked politics, injustice, and her status as a cultural icon, and shared her advice from her father-in-law, the one he gave her when she was deciding whether or not to go to law school.
And my father-in-law said to me, if you don't want to go to law school, no one will think the less of you. You will have a new baby and you will have the best reason in the world. But, he said, if you really want to become a lawyer, you will pick yourself up, you will stop feeling sorry for yourself, and you will find a way. And it was that advice that has stood me in good stead for my entire life. That is, I have to decide, do I really want this? And if the answer is yes, then you find a way.
If the answer is yes, then you will find a way. And as I witnessed, RBG has inspired a whole new generation of women. There were tons of little girls who showed up to the Supreme Court Justice to hear her speak in person. Take a look at this.
Okay, Gina, you are all RBG'd out tonight.
I know. I'm a super fan.
You are? Why?
Most people do this for concerts, but I do it for Ruth.
Jordan, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
And you're here about to watch Ruth Bader Ginsburg speak tonight. Why'd you come?
Well, because I've always been really passionate about lawyers, and I just started getting into this stuff in school when I read about her. So I thought this would be a really fun and exciting event that I could take part in.
We also read books about Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
She's always been a hero of mine. I'm only 15, so I've always looked up to powerful women in government. And she's so strong, and she's had such a great history of working really hard in her life. And I think that's something I've really looked up to my whole life.
It's really inspiring to see a whole new generation connect with such an icon. And it turns out the justice herself makes an effort to reach out to the young ladies of the world. Last year, the story went viral. A little girl dressed up as the justice for Superhero Day at school, and Ginsburg sent her a letter saying, "May you continue to thrive on reading and learning." That's right, girls who read are dangerous.